So guys, to make this fig choka, I have my green bananas in a pot, and in Trinidad we call fig, or we call green bananas fig, so don't get it mistaken with the fruit. And to this I'm going to put it up on a medium heat, and I'm also going to go in with some salt just to add some flavor to it while it's boiling, and we're going to boil this until it's nice and soft. So guys, while the green fig is boiling, I made a foil cup, and in that foil cup I'm going to go in with some cloves of garlic. We're gonna roast these off so it gives the choka a really nice smoky flavor. And we're going to go in with 1 habanero pepper, and I'm gonna drizzle in a little bit of oil in there. It's gonna help it from not burning. And I'm also sprinkling in a little bit of salt. And you want to close this pouch up, and you're going to place this right next to the pot on your stove, and the heat from the pot is going to cook this. So by the time the bananas are done, this will be ready. So you just want to place it right here like this, and like ever so often you'd want to go and turn it just to make sure it's not burning on one side until all of the cloves and that pepper is roasted. Can you guys hear what's going on in that foil? I don't know if you can hear, but it's like just bubbling away or sizzling away in there. Look at it. Can you guys see that? Look at how it's sizzling away in there, and the garlic is getting a nice light brown color. So guys, I went ahead and I drained the bananas after they were finished boiling. I took off the skin. Now I'm going to go in with the roasted peppers and garlic. You guys see that nice color that it got? So that's the plus side of doing it this way, how my mother-in-law does it. And to that we're going to go in with some salt. Just add a little bit to taste. You could always adjust after. And we're going to mash down. And you can make this as chunky or as smooth as you like, guys. It's totally up to you. Okay guys, when you finish mash up your bananas or green fig, you're just gonna set it aside. We want to saute some onions to add it to this. So to my skillet, I'm going in with some oil. Make sure that the oil gets really nice and hot. Okay, once your oil is nice and hot, throw in your onions and just let them saute for a little. I like them a little crisp. You can cook it until it's very soft, or you could even add this in raw. So I just like to mix it in a little bit, and then I'm taking it off, and it goes into that fig or banana. Now all you have to do is mix this. So guys, this is just an afterthought, but you know what? I think I want to put some jeera seeds into that. It's tasting really, really good, but I think that jeera flavor is missing, and I don't want to put jeera powder. I just want to put some seeds. So I'm just putting just a little bit of oil, and I'm going in with a few of those jeera seeds, and I'm going to allow them to toast and get really, really dark, and then we'll add it to the fig. Okay, once it's nice and brown, we're going to go ahead and pour this. Just go ahead and pour it over the fig. And then all you have to do is mix that in. And then this is ready to be served with some sada roti or some dal and rice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you to the person who sent me the request to make this. I never thought about it, I've never had it, but trust me, it tastes really amazing, and I want to thank you so much for sharing it with us. So leave me your comments. I want to hear what you guys think. If you know about this, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you're new, I hope you subscribe, like and share this video, and thank you guys again so much for joining me today. Bye.